Okay, I want to talk about how to add a field into Odoo, particularly a text field, but this would work for any other field as well, any other type of field, related even to one integer. I want to talk about how to add a field to a model without using Odoo Studio. As you can see, we have Odoo Studio available here, but not everyone has that, so I want to go ahead and cover how to do that, as documentation makes it seem a lot harder than it actually is. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the technical tab over here, and I'm going to search for the database section. And I'm going to come to models. Now, once I'm in on models, I'm going to search for the actual model I want to add a field to. In this case, I'm going to do the MRP.production model, and I'm looking to add a text field of customer to the manufacturing orders. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to add a line. And field name, I'm going to put customer. Label is just going to be customer. Field type here, you can select. I'm just going to go for text because it's the easiest. I'll go ahead and save. Save one more time. And I just want to make sure it's here. So I'll go check the very last line. And I see here X underscore customer to label customer, and the type is going to be text. Now, any custom field you add, whether it's with Odoo Studio or using this method, you're going to have an X right before your underscore to differentiate whenever you add a custom field versus the stock or default fields. So now that I have my custom field ready to go, how do I actually add it to my view? For this case, I'm going to be adding a customer to the MRP.production or work orders. So I'm going to go to my inventory module here. Then I'm going to go to manufacturing. And here's how I'm going to add it. I'm going to go, and you want develop mode active for this. I'm going to go to edit view list. And here you'll see all the HTML for this model. And I'm just going to slap it in here somewhere. I don't think it matters too much. Just going to use, like the others, field name, same name as the name you added for the line in the model. And there's a couple of decorators you can add here. For example, here I already have optional show widget priority, no label. Just to keep it simple, we're going to just call it simple field name. So I have that ready to go. And 1 second. Okay, so I have that ready to go. I'll hit save. And then I'm just going to refresh here. And you see the custom field here. If I hover over it, it's X underscore customer, and the type is text. And now for our next video, I'm going to show how to actually get that data in the automated action and put it in this custom field so that way manufacturing orders have a customer label when they come in from sales. That's it. Pretty simple. You don't need Odoo Studio, although I do recommend it. It's a lot easier. This is the way you can deal without using Odoo Studio. And it's also good to know how it works on the back end.